Okay, so far, this is what we have gotten done. What I have gotten done. This is what I have gotten done so far. Somebody stole my bags and my hammer. Just while I was in the house getting water, going to the bathroom, take a little break. They steal that stuff. No! Put that back! We're going!
Okay, well you confused me, I guess. Oh, man.
I said we was going to get a Coke.
Okay, well
I got us $3.
okay.
I should pay for a Coke. And this is the truck bed. We're going to go empty the truck bed into dumpsters. The city told me a long time ago that if it fits in the dumpster, you can put it in there. So we're going to go find some empty dumpsters. And the city told me a long time ago that I can use any dumpster in the city because my water bill is paid. So my dumpster is full. So we're going to go find some empty dumpsters to put, and we're going to put a little bit in one and a little bit in another and a little bit in another so we don't fill up everybody's dumpsters. It's called being considerate. We just put a little bit here and a little bit there. We're going to sell that because he says it doesn't work right. It's only got one good crank up and go in it. So we're going to sell that. I'm fixing to put it on Facebook here in a little bit. And maybe we'll have money for tacos.
Yeah.
Because I'm hungry. And so, I've learned a lot the last 10 days about what I'm capable of doing on a cane. Now there's going to be no stopping me. You people better watch out. And I'm going to use this as a documentation